Prolonged moisture exposure can cause corrosion of metal components and erosion of foundation bases, leading to instability and misalignment of trackers. This can result in tilting or shifting, compromising system reliability. For electrical components, torrential rain and flooding can submerge tracker important parts and affect module connections, increasing the risk of short circuits and failures. Water exposure can damage junction boxes, cables, and sensors, disrupting both tracker and module functionality. Additionally, it can cause delamination of module glass, reduce cell efficiency, and accelerate degradation, which reduce the overall energy output of the system, especially in flood-prone areas. To address extreme rainfall and flooding, Trinasolar provides robust protection for both modules and tracker. Our high-strength double-glass modules feature sealed junction boxes and cable connections to prevent water ingress and enhance long-term durability. We conduct hydrological studies to avoid flood-prone zones, implementing drainage systems and breakwaters to manage water flow. Tracker foundations are tested by the geotechnical department for stability in saturated soils, and all components use corrosion-resistant materials and coatings, including anti-salt mist and anti-humidity treatments. Electronics are protected in IP65 seal enclosures with elevated TCUs to prevent water intrusion and ensure continued operation during heavy rainfall or flooding. In addition, flood sensors enable trackers to pause movement and automatically rotate to a 0-degree position to reduce the risk of submersion. Certain tracker designs can also be slightly elevated when needed. Together, these measures ensure reliable performance and protection in flood-prone environments. At Trinasolar, durability meets innovation to conquer extreme flooding and heavy rainfall.